In this session, you'll learn how to turn your boat by safely executing a pivot turn of at least 180 degrees within a space of 1 to 2 boat lengths.
What problems are we trying to avoid? When turning your boat into the opposite direction from which it's traveling, taking more than 3 boat lengths to complete the turn, frequently shifting into the wrong gear, turning your helm in the wrong direction, turning your helm while in gear, and not maintaining a lookout throughout the entire maneuver.
So how do we do it right? Start with your boat in neutral and at rest. Turn your helm hard over in the opposite direction from the direction you would like to make the pivot turn. Most single engines have right-handed propellers, so turning counterclockwise will be easiest. Smoothly shift into reverse gear at idle speed to start the turn. Starting with reverse first will minimize the total space used for the turn. As the boat starts to turn and before advancing any distance forward, shift into neutral gear and then quickly turn your helm hard over in the opposite direction. Shift into forward gear at idle speed to continue the turn smoothly in the original direction that you started the turn. Keep your eye on a fixed point on shore to help ensure that your boat does not go too far forward or backward as it turns. Repeat these maneuvers as needed until the boat is turned 180 degrees or to the equivalent of 6 o'clock within 10 yards.
Turn the helm only while in neutral so as not to upset your boat's pivoting movement or swing and turn it quickly. Shift gears smoothly. Implement smooth throttle control using the appropriate amount of power. A strong current or windy conditions will require more time when moving upwind than downwind. To stop the pivot turn, shift into neutral. Leave the helm in its position and smoothly shift into the opposite gear until the boat stops turning. Shift back into neutral. Center the wheel, shift smoothly into forward gear to proceed ahead. Maintain a proper lookout during entire maneuver.
If your boat has 2 engines, there are 2 methods you can use. The first is a refinement of the single engine technique. Only shift the outside engine into gear. The starboard engine when the wheel is hard left, the port engine when the wheel hard right. This way, you're only using the most effective engine based on its location and prop thrust to make the turn. The second method is to use both engines at once. Center the wheel, smoothly shift one engine into reverse at the same time as you shift the other into forward. Adjust the throttle to keep the boat in place, adding reverse if the boat drifts forward, or forward if the boat drifts backward.
With practice, you'll be able to turn your boat by safely executing a pivot turn of at least 180 degrees within a space of 1 to 2 boat lengths.